guys, good afternoon and welcome back to another very interesting video on my channel. Today is going to be a very interesting food vlog. It's a biryani joint which is located in Koramangala, right near the Forum Mall, right? It's a brand new restaurant which has just opened up and it's called Biryani Blues. Alright guys, so this place is like right in the middle. So the road which goes up, right, that's the Forum Road. The road which comes from the left is basically the Empire Road, and as soon as you come to this junction, right, it's just here. So you got Biryani Blues and the shop is just over here. Let's go and explore, guys. Oh, hello guys, welcome back to Biryani Blues. So as you know, right, you've seen me and Ari in a lot of travel vlogs, but I guess this is like the second food vlog that we're doing. So right now we are in Koramangala. We're going to try out some amazing biryani, and yes, this is a collab, so you're going to find this video on my channel as well as Ari Vivin's channel, whose link is in the description, guys.
Chicken 65 biryani. Okay. Boneless. This is the boneless biryani. Paneer. With bone. Sheikh kebab. Salad.
Okay, this is
Salad. Veg biryani. Gulab jamun. And two raita.
okay, right.
These are mint chutney.
So guys, welcome back. Now we are at the most interesting and the favorite part of the vlog now, the food review. Okay, we are at Biryani Blues, and along with me, my best friend, best pal, travel buddy, Winston. So Winston, how are you today?
Hello guys, good morning, and no, it's actually good evening. So we're right now at Koramangala, at Koramangala 7 block. It's a place called Biryani Blues, as you see in the intro, right? So it's like a brand new place that they've opened up recently. It's just opened in the month of April. So without a lot of delay, let's get into the biryani, because we've ordered a lot of biryani. These guys have given us a lot of biryani to taste. So let's get into the video and then check it out. Alright guys, so Bangalore Blues, as I said, right, is a Delhi-based company. So it's really famous in the north side, but they've recently started down in Bangalore. So they've got multiple locations all over Bangalore. I am right now here in Koramangala 7 block, which is very close to the Forum Road. So they've just opened in the month of April. So this branch is like pretty new, right? So they've given us a lot of food over here. So they've got like they've given us like the specialty. So chicken 65 biryani. They've got a veg biryani. They've got chicken boneless. They've got chicken with the bone. They've got sheikh. They've got chicken 65. They've got like desserts such as jamuns, and they've got a lot of beverages as well. So let's get in. Let's check out all the food that they have, like the main food, and let me basically give you a review about it, right? The most important update that I have to give you is, number one, there's a 20% off on the bill on any particular day. There's no restrictions. Second thing is, they've got a buy one get one free offer on all takeaways that you order here. So it's like a limited period offer, because they've just started. So don't wait guys, come here, because the food looks great, but I'm just going to get into it, and then I'm going to give you like I'm going to tell you what it really tastes like. So let's jump into it as quickly as we can.
And also, the biryani starts at 99 rupees from here. So I've given the menu details in the vlog itself, so please do go and check it. Guys, starting off the first dish, the chicken 65 biryani.
Alright guys, so biryani, biryani is an Indian dish, right? So the authentic way of having biryani is by hand. So I'm going to ditch the spoons. I'm just going to jump into it with my hand. Doing all of his intros and all, right? I really can't wait to dig into it, because the way it looks, like, it's really amazing, but I just can't wait, guys. So Hari, cheers.
Cheers.
You can actually feel all the masalas, like
Yeah. with this burst of masala into your mouth.
No,
I mean,
it's not like they just make one single dish and then they just put chicken into it. This is like cooked with the chicken and everything. So,
the chicken is very properly cooked. The main thing is the tenderness. I mean,
so being a Delhi-based outlet, right, I was expecting it to taste a little sweet, but it isn't. It's like proper South Indian authentic biryani, guys. It tastes exactly the way it should be. Alright, so the food is like properly cooked, guys. There's like I really can't complain about anything. It's like properly cooked, especially the chicken, right? The masalas that they put into is like super amazing. So I'm gonna do a taste of all of these things, and then I'm gonna jump into it and gonna order more, and then I'm gonna finish the entire plate. That's how tasty it is.
so moving on to the second dish now, guys. So we have got the chicken boneless biryani, guys. So I've already put it in my plate, and we're gonna try it now.
Alright, guys. So my first taste of boneless chicken biryani at Hyderabad Blues. It's good. It's really, really good. Once again, guys, the main feature of this place, I would say, is like the rice. This is basmati rice. Is like really, really good. Really, really well cooked basmati rice. But the main feature I would say over here is like the chicken. It's like it's not overcooked. It's not undercooked. It's like perfectly cooked. Like really, really perfect.
Damn, it's really too good, guys. Moving on to the third dish now, we're gonna try some sheikh kebabs. Sheikh kebabs.
So they've given us some. We ordered some chicken sheikh kebab as well, right? So it's the quantity is like it's good. So they've given us about 4 pieces in a plate, and they're quite good sizes. They're not like super thin or like small tiny pieces. They're like really, really good size pieces. And along with this, they've given us mint chutney as well. So it's like really, really hot. So it's served really hot, and they give these mint chutneys in these small little containers. So it's not going to be a mess.
So let's try the sheikh kebab now.
How is it?
Damn, dude.
I don't think I have to give any reaction. Hari's going to give it all.
Sexy, man. It's too good. Too good. It has got all perfect ingredients of a sheikh kebab, I would say. It's a complete sheikh kebab, guys.
So it's like perfectly marinated. So perfectly marinated, perfectly cooked. Right? So there are a lot of hotels which just serve biryani just for the sake of serving, but this one is like it's like proper. You should definitely. I mean, me telling you, and you're not gonna find out over this. You're not gonna find out sitting at home, right? So if you say anywhere near Koramangala, hop in, because it's just in the vicinity. It's hardly 5 minutes for you guys. So jump in and check out this place. It's called Biryani Blues, very near Forum Mall. Okay, so the next dish that we're gonna try is the paneer biryani. So, okay, so before I put the paneer in here, right, let me show it to you. It's like a super big piece of paneer, and it's not like they just gave it to us. So you're gonna be served the exact same sizes that I'm getting served right here. So this is the paneer biryani. The rice is the same, guys. So it's basmati rice across all of the biryanis, but the masalas and the main item that is used differs. So the masala is not exactly the same. It differs from biryani to biryani. So for now, we've got the paneer biryani, and let's check it out. Alright, so I'm not a big fan of vegetarian, guys. So for me, I'm a pure non-vegetarian by birth. So non-veg biryani is like what I look for, but I must tell you, this paneer biryani looks great as well.
If you're a foodie, subscribe the channel. If you are a if you are a non-veg lover, subscribe the channel. If you are a biryani lover, subscribe the channel. And guys, all the vegetarian people, I'm trying the paneer for you guys, okay? And if you are a vegetarian, please do subscribe the channel, guys.
Alright, guys, so the paneer, once again, right, just like the chicken biryanis that we've tried, it's infused and marinated. So it's infused with a lot of masalas and spices and everything that is used. So here it goes. just like the chicken biryani, guys. So the paneer is also infused in a lot of spices, as I said. So now the flavor that's coming out of all of the biryanis that I'm trying is just basically mouth-watering. I mean, I don't know how you feel sitting there, but for us,
Just
it's way
enjoying.
too good.
We are enjoying.
Yeah.
And guys, this is the first time, like I'm actually having a Hyderabadi based paneer biryani. So this is actually my first time instant that I'm trying. But I just can't express my words about this taste and flavor. How much biryani?
Okay, so this is like the chicken thigh piece biryani. So there's chicken thigh, like the entire thigh, as you can see, right? So one chicken biryani with one thigh piece is what you got for now. So the biryani rice, once again, it's basmati, but it's not like the rest of it that we tasted. It's like cooked separately. Each and every dish that comes here, right, that we've received till now is like cooked separately, as I said. So biryani rice for me.
Thank you.
Okay.
So I was lucky enough to get the piece, guys.
No,
I got the
he's
piece.
not lucky. I'm gonna take like a small piece from there because I'll have to show you what it guys taste like as well.
Winston was lucky enough to give me the entire full leg piece to try. Thank you, Winston.
So guys, I've got a piece just to taste over here. So
It's guys, always it's a fun to have the full leg piece. So let's try it, guys.
once again, guys, like totally different. It's not like any of the other biryanis that I've tasted. So it's like totally different. And again, the chicken piece that we have is neat, it's clean, and it's tender, guys. It's like tender. It just goes into your mouth like butter. So now I'm doing a lot of eating more than talking today. I don't know why, because I mean the reason is because it tastes really good. So a lot of eating and a lot less talking today, because Ari's doing all the talking, I'm just doing all the eating.
So sexy, guys. Very cool, very nice. Just touched my soul. Just can't express, guys. So I'm just leaving up to you guys. You can judge us based on our expression.
Alright guys, the last dish for today is the dessert. Basically it's jamuns. There were a lot of desserts, but we decided to take jamun today. I mean guys, you can never go wrong with jamuns, guys. Like you can never go wrong with jamuns. Like jamun after biryani is like a must. There's no going wrong without it. It's soft, it's cooked, and once again it's infused in a lot of syrup, guys. So it's like really tasty. As you've seen, right, we've shown you like all of the main dishes that we've had. So like there's veg biryani, there's non-veg biryani, and there's desserts, and there's kebabs and chicken 65, a lot of things available. So as I said, if you stay somewhere around here, just drop in. Don't even think about it. Just drop in. The prices are like really competitive, and at the moment they're offering a lot of discounts. So if you're gonna do a takeaway, there's like a buy one get one offer, and if you're gonna come in and dine in, there's like a 20% off on the bill that you have. So don't forget to come here, guys, because this biryani that I just tasted is like really amazing, right? So this food review that we did today, I hope you really liked it and enjoyed it. Do not forget to like and subscribe, not just to my channel, to Ari Villain's channel as well, because this is like a collab food vlog that we've done today. So the review of Biryani Blues, we are like the first ones to ever do it here. So share it as much as you can, because this is not going to be available in YouTube for quite some time now. So share it with a lot of friends, share it with your family, share it with whoever you know, share it with people who love biryani, share it with people who are vegetarians, non-vegetarians, share it with basically foodies, guys. So share it and subscribe, and do come here and try it out as soon as you can, because the offers are going to be available for a limited period of time. So drop in as soon as you can and enjoy the biryani, guys. Okay, so I will see you soon in a next interesting food vlog or a travel related vlog as soon as possible. Until then, take care and enjoy yourself.